everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making bok choy with garlic and oyster sauce. You know, the dish is originally from China, but it's also super popular here in Japan. Today's version is a bit Japanized. I won't use shaoxing wine or those kind of special ingredients. You can make it with everyday ingredients. The recipe is super simple, easy to make, and the taste will be super yummy. Alright, let's get started! Well, the ingredients for bok choy with garlic and oyster sauce are only 4. The first one is of course bok choy. Both baby bok choy and regular size bok choy are good for this dish. The second ingredient is clove of garlic. The third one is ginger. And today I'm gonna use an optional ingredient which is cut green onion. Plus you need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce as well. We got only 3 steps to make bok choy with garlic and oyster sauce. Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. First thing you do is to rinse the bok choy well and cut into bite-sized pieces. I recommend you to cut the stem part a little bit smaller than the leaf part. Just divide the 2 parts and set aside. Then you cut the clove of garlic, ginger and green onion into little pieces. You can mix them all up because you stir fry these 3 at the same time. Step number 2 is to stir fry the ingredients. Heat the oil in the pan. Well, I will use sesame oil this time, but feel free to use any kind of oil you have. So when you heat the oil in the pan, put the cut garlic, ginger and green onion into the pan at the same time and heat it with low heat. When it gives you a nice flavor, it's time to add in a cut bok choy. Simmer it first with medium heat, and when it gets nice and soft, add in the leaf part as well. Step number 3 is to season. Well, you don't have to wait long before you go to step 3 because the leaf part is so quick to be cooked. You know, just add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a nice mix and it's ready to serve. Sounds pretty easy, isn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Well, it's time to go to step 1. Step number 1 is to prepare the ingredients. First thing you'll do is to prepare the bok choy. Rinse it well. Well, I rinsed it well and just cut off the stem end. I know you can throw it away, but I like this part, so I'll use it by cutting into small pieces. Yeah, that's okay. So, divide the leaf part and stem part. Stem part smaller than leaf part. I cut it into 3. Then I cut it to 2. Right, divide it and set aside. Yeah, the second things you'll prepare is these 3 ingredients. I started with garlic, press it and peel the skin and rinse it. Yeah, I rinsed the garlic, so why don't we cut it into pieces, okay? Yeah, throw the stem in, it's cut. And you go to ginger stuff, yeah, rinse it and cut off the skin around and give it a nice cut. Right, it's cut well. And the green onion, peel the first layer and throw it. Just be careful not to cut yourself. Yeah. Yeah, they're all cut. Not you pretty plate. I guess it's the end of step 1. Why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to stir fry the ingredients. Well, it's time to go to step 2. Step 2 is to stir fry the ingredients. When the pan is heated, stop the stove once and add in some oil. This time I use sesame oil, but feel free to use any kind of oil you have. And add in these 3 ingredients: garlic, ginger and green onion, and heat it with low heat. Give it a nice toss. Try not to burn it. It won't take long to go to bok choy stuff. Yeah, nice flavor. So turn the heat up to medium and add in the stem part first. Yeah, keep giving it a nice toss. Now the stem part gets nice and soft. I believe it took about 2 minutes. So when we add in the leaf part as well, and quick. Doesn't last very long, so you're going to set quick. It's getting nice and soft. Right now we're going to leave this soft as well. It took about 30 seconds, less than 1 minute, I believe. So, going to stir 3. Add in the 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Yeah, give it a nice mix. Okay, now it looks awesome. Yeah, it's ready to go, right? When we plate it, it's time to plate the bok choy with garlic and oyster sauce. Right, looks good. Flavors, unbelievable. Right, now the bok choy with garlic and oyster sauce are ready to go. Right, now you know to make bok choy with garlic and oyster sauce. Pretty easy, so why don't you give it a try at your home? If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, leave some message down below, and subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.